Hey guys, welcome to my channel. My name is Jazmine, and in today's video I'm going to show you my quick and easy makeup that I do on a normal basis. That sounds like so much, but this is the makeup look that I came up with, or not came up with, but this is what I do when I need to put makeup on the go. Really quick, really simple, not too many products, definitely mommy friendly. You know what I'm saying? So if you are interested in seeing how I got this look, then just keep watching. But wait, before you go any further, go ahead and subscribe to my channel and follow me on Instagram. I take pretty cute pictures or whatever, and have really a lot of fun over there. So go ahead and follow me on my IG. Everything is right here and in the description box. So without further ado, let's go ahead and get right into the makeup tutorial. So let's go ahead and jump right into the makeup. Today's look is going to be super simple. It's this really, not cool, but like really fast and easy makeup that I've been loving. I have to do a lot. I have to film today. I also have a couple of meetings today. I need to take some pictures today, so I don't have time to be like, you know, going in. My face is freshly washed and moisturized and sunscreened up. That's why it's glowing like this. I'm going to apply my primer. Y'all have seen this before. I absolutely love this primer. Milk Hydro Grip Primer. Absolutely love this primer. Like, this primer can do no wrong in my eyes. So I put it all over my face, honestly, just like a moisturizer. Okay. Next, I'm going to be doing my eyebrows. I always speed past this part because I do feel like it takes a minute for me to do my eyebrows, and makeup is like, ooh, what is this? I don't like that. But makeup is a process. It's not cute and then it's cute all of a sudden, you know what I'm saying? That's how my eyebrows are. So I'm going to skip past this and my eyebrows will be done. So give me a second. Okay, so my eyebrows are on finally. Not finally. It didn't take me that long, honestly. And before I set them, I'm not going to set them just yet. I'm going to apply my foundation. So for the foundation, I'm going to be using this e.l.f. Cosmetic Flawless Satin Foundation in the color 450 Caramel. I love this foundation, honestly. I'm going to blend it out with my beauty blender. I love this foundation. It is a really good shade match for me. It's perfect. It's $6. The only thing I don't like is it only gives you 0.68 fluid ounces. So I'm going to need another one. But also, it's $6. So, you know, that's that. It's not, I mean, compared to a lot of foundations out on the market that are really good, like my NARS, my Huda Beauty foundations. I love those foundations. Those are more high end. Now, for this to be $6 and this to give me coverage, a nice color match, the finish is really nice. That's a really good foundation. It's oil free, medium coverage. You can build it a little bit more. I'm not going to. I like how it's looking on my face at the moment. So if you're ever interested, that foundation is really, really good. So next I'm going to conceal, and I'm going to be using the e.l.f. 16-Hour Camo Concealer. It's the matte finish, and it's in the shade Tan Neutral. Looks like that. I'm going to take it here. It's a little right there. Right here. And also going to take it down my bridge, on my chin, the normal places you highlight, you know, and on my forehead. I'm going to get my setting powder ready, and I'm using a Laura Mercier translucent setting powder in, no, this is just translucent because I know they have an oat one. So that's that. And I'm going to take my beauty blender and start at my chin and blend that out. So okay, and I'm going to do just one more, actually, one more layer of this. It's a little bit more. It's right there. I'm gonna let it sit for a second, but I'm just gonna go ahead and set my chin, my nose, and my forehead. And then, now that I blended that out and let the color adjust, I'm going to go ahead and set my under eye. And I like to look down because I get creases. I have wrinkles under my eye. And push the setting powder into Alright, so face is set. I know I look a little crazy right now, but it's okay. It's going to come together, I promise. The next thing I'm going to do is bronze my skin. And I have discovered this bomb bronzer. I don't know where I've been, honestly. Living under a rock, obviously. And I'm going to use this NARS bronzer. Looks like this. It's so pretty. In the color Casino. In the color or in the shade? In the shade Casino. And I am going to first clean off a brush. Which brush do I want to use? I think I want to use that. Y'all, I need to clean my brushes. It's getting to the point of ridiculousness. So I'm just going to take a little like that. Maybe a lot like that. And just bronze my face. I love it. Oh my gosh. I've been looking for nice bronzers. And I found one. I actually have another bronzer. I purchased the Morphe what am I saying? I purchased the Morphe bronzer as well, but I haven't tried that yet. So if you tried it, let me know in the comments. How do you like it? It's way cheaper than this bronzer, let me tell you. But I mean, it's NARS, and NARS products are really good. Like, I really love. I don't know where I've been, like I said, living under a rock, but I was today years old when I realized NARS be on it. Now that we have bronzed the skin, I'm going to go back in with my Laura Mercier translucent powder, and I'm going to bake a little bit. Well, first off, yeah. What am I saying? I'm going to bake a little bit, so I'm going to go here just to clean up my nose contour. That was a lot of powder. I did not mean to do that, but there. I'm also going to clean up my bronzer under my, just make it a little sharper. Sharpen that up a little bit. Also going to highlight. And that's crooked, but it's okay. I don't leave this part on at all. I don't want to bake because I don't want it to be super light, so I just dust that away. I just wanted to clean that up a little bit. So that's what that looks like. But I am going to leave this on while we do our eye makeup. And if you saw it, I did set my eyes after I set my eyelids when I set under my eyes. This is so easy because we use the same products over and over again. I'm going to use my bronzer and a Morphe M535 brush. This is a really good blending brush. It's really, really good and inexpensive. And I'm going to go in and just take a little bit of that bronzer and put it in my crease. And on my lid, like all over my eye. Like so, like that. So that's done. And I have been also, I've been using, y'all know this is my go-to, the Soft Glam palette. And just to spicing it up a little bit, this is going to be a pretty matte look. I am going to do my inner corner, but I'm going to take the color Sienna and just put that on my lid as well and blend that out. Of course, you don't have to do this, or you can use your blush, the blush that you're going to use that as a lid color. But I just wanted to add just a little bit more dimension or color to my lid. So it could look like this. Yep, perfect. Now I'm gonna brush this bake away. Smashbox Photo Finish Serene Green. I don't even know if they sell this anymore. Now okay, guys, literally not a good lash day for me. Oh my God, it literally took me 15 minutes to put these fucking lashes on. Well, first off, I had to change lashes because the other ones that I wanted to use were not good. Like, they just weren't working out for me. And so I had to get some new lashes. But these are the lashes. I'm going to let them sit and get their lash together because I swear, oh God, that was not a good lash day for me. So, we're going to let them sit for a second. Next, I'm going to move on to blush. My goodness. And I'm going to be using this Milani Luminoso. Everybody loves this. I really need to get this. This is my first time ever getting this in life. But everybody said it was cute, so. Smile. Don't smile. That is a lot of highlight. So, what I'm going to do to tone that down, it's so pretty though. Especially on the apples of your cheeks. I'm just going to take my sponge and just tone it down a little bit and pat it into my skin. I'm also going to take going back to my soft glam palette. I need to highlight my inner corner, and I'm just going to take this Morphe brush in the color. I'm going to do bronze, glistening. I'm going to do glistening and just highlight my inner corner. So the last step that I'm going to do is just spray my face, and I'm using the Beauty Bakery Sweet Grace Baking Spray. I don't have a fan, so we gotta do what we gotta do. So let that sit, and then I'm gonna lightly press into my skin. So for my lip, I'm going to use the same products. I love a nude lip. I always use these products. This is the Juvia's Place Luxe Lip Pencil in Cola. I'm just going to line my lips with this. Then I'm going to go in with this, this is ColourPop X Shada lipstick in the shade Quickie. And just put that in the center like that. That is it. So I'm going to go and wipe my earrings off first and foremost. Change, and I'll be right back. Alright guys, so that is it. This is the makeup look that I came up with. Really cute, really simple, really easy. Doesn't take too much time. The longest part literally was me putting on my eyelashes. And if I had lash extensions, breezy, okay? 15 minutes tops to do my entire face. It literally took me forever to put my lashes on. I was not having a good lash day, and I'm sure you all can relate. But anyway, thank you so much for watching. I really truly appreciate it, and I will see you in my next video. Bye.